Hi, kindergartners. It's me, Mrs. Deprez. Today I have a funny story to share with you. This story is about a monster named Larry, and we're going to read to find out what happens. The name of the book is Don't Push the Button. It is written and illustrated by Bill Cotter. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice, though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. Should we push it? No! We can't! We mustn't. Psst! No one is looking. You should give the button one little push. Are you going to do it? Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Push it. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Ack! Now there's two of me. Push it a bunch of times. Uh-oh. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, can you help me, kindergartners? Let's shake it. Here we go. Oh, do you think we got rid of them all? Almost. A little more. Shake. Shake. You help shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Okay, scratch Larry's tummy. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. The end. Kindergartners, I hope you enjoyed this funny story, Don't Push the Button by Bill Cotter.